Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. A happy Mother's Day weekend to all you mothers out there. And I'm here today with a very special unboxing of this awesome pair of Sony headphones, the 1000XM3s. These are my first pair of over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones that I've had in a long time. I used to have a pair of, I think they were Bose QC25s back in the day, but this has been a long time coming for me, and I want to just share this product that's going to be my own product that I will be using, as my daily headphones, but also for my upcoming trips to the States and the other trips I have planned. Just wanted to share this quickly on the channel with you guys. So let's have a look. Here we are with the Sony WH-1000XM3s. These are the best noise canceling over-the-ear headphones now on the market. And you've probably seen some of the videos from like MKBHD, from Unbox Therapy. They have stopped using their QC2s and replaced them with these Sony 1000XM3s. The noise cancellation has just been incredible. And full disclaimer, guys, I actually already unboxed these. I've been using them for a couple days, so I'm going to share a little bit of the app experience. But I put them back in the box to do this unboxing. Let's have a look. So there you go, 30 hours Bluetooth, Alexa built-in, Google Assistant. I mean, these are ready to be used with all of the latest and greatest AI. And you can see there we have a 10-minute charge up to 5 hours, hands-free, HD voice calling, and we have a bunch of different peripherals included, including this one for in-flight use, which is really great. And that main thing is that max 30 hours of battery life. Let's get this open. And there we go. So easy setup. I've already set these up. Let me show you what's inside the box. There are some additional kind of instructions here. Gonna chuck those aside. And very basic unboxing, nothing much in there, so I'm just gonna throw that stuff aside. But here we are with the actual case for the headphones. Quickly talk about that. It's a nice fabricy feel, and it's got this nice little kind of netting here for whatever cables you may be carrying. I do like this Sony zipper. It is nice. It's like this, got this really nice bronze look to it. Copper look, I guess you could say. And let's go ahead and open these up. And there we are. There are the 1000XM3s. Gonna move this paper aside. And as you can see, it's not the most conventional way to wrap up headphones. It's not, I guess they're not exactly the Bose way where you kind of flip both around. You kind of have to do this strange flip and turn and then have this part go like that. But that's like a slight nitpick. That's not something I think is a deal breaker. Showing you guys the accessories included. We have the 3.5 millimeter cable, and this would allow you to use it as a just a standard headphones. And our very important USB-C. This is what I do like, that it is USB-C charging with these headphones. This is a very dinky USB-C cable though, but luckily for Frankie Tech, I have about 1,000 of these cables now from all the phones I've been testing, so not a problem there. Now let's take them out and have a look. And here they are, the 1000XM3s, and I picked them up in this very kind of basic black. There is another color, it's kind of like this gold color, but you can see they are very premium looking headphones. So the adjustments are right here at the top, they're not at the bottom. And I just like the nice touches that they've included, like making the right side red there, so in the dark or kind of in low light you can see which side to grab. And just kind of looking around the edges, let's have a look. There's the input for 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Here is the power on off, and this is the noise cancellation ambient button. But the cool thing about this is a lot of it is done through the app, and it's just showing you they really can bend, they flex, they feel very light in the hand, and they are just terrific headphones. But let me show you now the app setup using my iPhone XS Max, and let's have a look at what the setup looks like, and then I'll do a little quick audio test here to wrap this video up. And so I've switched over to another phone to film, and here we have my iPhone XS Max, which rarely makes an appearance in my videos, but here it is to all you guys who've wondered. Yes, I have been filming a lot of my stuff with the iPhone XS Max, but I have a great announcement at the end of this video. Stay tuned for that. But this is the phone that I've set up with these 1000XM3s, and what we're going to do right now, we're going to leave the app open as I turn these on. Let's kind of try to play it into the microphone, the sound of them turning on for you to experience it. Okay, and so there you go. They are now connected. And so the moment you turn those on, they show up here in this app. So there it says WH1000XM3s, the actual notification of battery, AAC, Bluetooth connected. And the coolest thing about this, I got to show you guys in the app here. There's so many different settings you can do for this pair of over-the-ear headphones. I love that there's an equalizer. There's a lot of different options you can select, from treble boost to bass boost, speech, manual. I've created my own kind of manual mode here, to just having a very flat, bright, or excited settings. And it'll adjust the treble and the bass accordingly. These sound terrific, guys. I know that some of you like Bose a lot, but if you haven't tried these, you need to get into a store and try to check these out. There is a reason why everyone's raving about their sound quality, and the noise isolation is incredible. And one of the big parts of the noise isolation is right here. So there is what's called the noise cancellation optimizer, and it will actually take your environment and it will optimize the experience based on your environment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the phone down, bring the headphones near the mic, and you'll hear what it sounds like as it's optimizing the environment.
Optimizer, start. Optimizer, finished.
And so there it is. These headphones are now optimized for the environment. And now, I don't know why it's saying transport here, but you can actually go more in depth with the sound control. The cool thing also is that there are various modes you can set up if the optimizer didn't get it right, or if you feel you want to get a little bit less noise cancellation, you can actually adjust the noise cancellation amount. And you can also choose to focus on voice, which is also very helpful if you want to kind of, drone out the vehicle, or kind of, the other sounds, but you want to have still very clear voices when people are talking to you from across the room, or in like a, in a park or in an office, that you can still hear them. And then obviously go all the way in the running mode, allow you to hear cars and various other things in walking as well. And you can also drone them out. Once you're in the staying mode and you're at home, it tends to cancel noise even more. And if you want the full noise cancellation, you just leave it right there, or you can even turn off ambient sound control and it will just stay on full noise cancellation. But I just love all the features of this pair of headphones, and they are just incredible in terms of their sound quality. There's surround VPT, which you can actually turn on, which will really give you even more tweaking and capability here. And it shows you what you're now playing right there. I was listening to some 80s music earlier, just testing out various genres, various sounds, and they're just great. What's my one nitpick about them is when you're playing music and you're listening to them, if you take off the headphones, it will not pause the music, it will keep playing. I'm so used to using AirPods now, and so used to taking one AirPod out and having it automatically pause. So that's like the one nitpick I have with these headphones. But beyond that, there's so many ways that you can actually interact with people even while you're still using them. So another thing you can do is, while you're actually using the headphones, you can actually put your hand over one side, and that will actually pause. It won't pause, it will actually silence the noise cancellation, lower the volume, and you'll be able to hear what someone is saying. So I guess that's kind of their way around not being able to pause the music when you take them off. And then you just let go of your hand and you can actually continue listening to your music, and the noise cancellation kicks back in. So I will be doing more testing with these, and let me know if you guys want to see a full review of these. I've only had these for 1 or 2 days now. Yes, they are a little bit pricey compared to some other, over-the-ear headphones you can get, but for what you get in terms of just audio quality, in terms of pairing, in terms of just the full experience, these are terrific. And just to wrap up, let's see if I can play a little bit of Frankie Tech music for you guys. So, as I was going through all those issues with the copyrighted music on Spotify, I said, hey, what the heck? Why don't I create my own playlist on Spotify and use that? And so that's what I've done here, is Frankie Tech music playlist. And we're just going to play a little bit of Fever here, which is the Frankie Tech theme song. I'm going to put the headphones near the mic. Let's see if you can hear a bit of that sound quality experience on these. Well, I'm not sure if that came over in the microphone, but they sound incredible. They make my Frankie Tech music sound incredible, and I'm loving these headphones so far. But that's it for this quick unboxing and first look of the Sony WH-1000XM3s. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching this quick unboxing. Let me know if you like these kind of different styles of unboxings. I know I do a lot of phones on the channel, but sometimes it's nice to look at some other things. And the last kind of announcement I was going to say is that this is just one of 2 Sony products I will be unboxing this weekend. Let's call it Mother's Day weekend, aka Sony unboxing weekend here on Frankie Tech. And the next unboxing of Sony is going to be a very exciting one. I can't wait to share these details with you guys, but stay tuned. That's coming tomorrow. I can't wait for that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.